If you have the opportunity to do an internship like this, absolutely do it. This is an incredible opportunity.
It covers the entire institution of engineering at the University of Utah, and that's just absolutely invaluable.
This is an amazing learning experience. It shows you truly what college will be like, so then when you go to college, you're better prepared.
If you are a high school student and you are interested in engineering, you should apply for the summer research internship. It's gonna blow your mind. The Summer Research Internship is a program for rising high school sophomores and juniors. They come to the University of Utah for 8 weeks during the summer and do 30 hours a week of research with engineering professors.
They're matched with faculty who hopefully match their interests, and they come up here and work pretty substantially.
Not just washing beakers, but really getting their hands dirty, so to speak, digging into data, doing actual engineering.
The one thing I adore about this program is high school, they kind of just feed you information. It's a lot of just rote memory. You don't have to think very hard about it.
So much more just paper-based. With this engineering internship, it's helped me go through an entire process. I think that's so much closer to what it's actually going to be like in the real life, either studying engineering or working in an engineering field.
To be honest with you, I think this is a great opportunity for many high schoolers because it's a small glance of what college offers. It will be helping them to learn the basic skills, to be exposed, not to be shocked at the first day that you go to college and, oh, what am I doing? And also understanding the importance of doing research.
Because we have professors who participate from all 11 of our majors, we have a wide variety of experiences.
We've been working on all sorts of stuff, exploring different aspects of engineering. We've been doing a lot with air quality sensors, CO2 sensors.
This summer I've been working with the Integrated Multiphysics Laboratory in a powder-based 3D printing project to determine the mechanical properties of said powder.
This internship, we've learned manufacturing algorithms.
Introduced to 3D printing, working with data analysis and Python, and introduced to a lot of theoretical topics that I had no idea about before.
So for students who are very passionate about engineering, I think this is an excellent program for them to apply to and to really get their feet wet, which will give them a huge leg up when applying for college and when starting in their first semester of college.
I feel like I've really expanded my abilities and my confidence in the engineering field and my confidence in going into an engineering degree.
I don't think any profession can be healthy if they don't pay attention to the next generation. And if we want to become a strong research institution, we really need to be paying attention to the students that are coming into our program and increasing the numbers of those students, and really paying attention to the folks that have been underrepresented in STEM. That is where the real growth opportunities for our research programs will come.
Before this internship, engineering was just a maybe. It was a good option, but now I've realized it's truly such an incredible field, and it's what I love to do. So this internship has definitely helped me see that I want to pursue engineering.